Hello children, welcome to the video. Hope everyone are doing good and safe at home. So at today's video we are going to see the supplementary on Monday morning. It is adapted from The Adventures of Tom Sawyer by Mark Twain. Samuel Langdon Clemens, known by his pen name Mark Twain, was an American writer, humorist, entrepreneur, publisher and lecturer. He was lauded as the greatest humorist the United States has produced, and William Faulkner called him the father of American literature. He was born on 30th November 1835 and died at 21st April 1910. So here on Monday morning there are four characters involved: Tom Sawyer, Sid, Aunt Polly, Mary. So these are the characters involved. Now let us see the first paragraph. Monday morning found Tom Sawyer miserable. Monday morning always found him so because it became another week's slow suffering in school. He generally began that day with wishing he had no holiday in between. It made the going into prison again so much worse. Explanation: on Monday morning Tom found so miserable because it began to another week's suffering and there is no holiday in between, so he feels like going into prison again. Now second paragraph. Tom lay thinking. Presently it occurred to him that he wished he was sick, then he could stay home from school. He examined himself. No sickness was found, and he investigated again. This time he could detect stomachache, but it soon grew feeble and presently died wholly away. He reflected further. Suddenly he discovered something. One of his upper front teeth was loose. This was lucky. He was about to begin his groan as a starter, as he called it, when it occurred to him that if he came into court with that argument, his aunt would pull it out and that would hurt. So he thought he would the tooth in reserve for the present and seek further. So the explanation: Tom was lying and thinking that if he would have been sick, then he could stay away from school. He started examining himself, but nothing seems to be sick. And he started investigating it again. This time he could detect stomachache, but soon it was vanished. Suddenly he discovered that his upper front tooth was loose and seemed it to be lucky. He was about to groan and yet to start. Suddenly imagined that if he came into court with that argument, his aunt would pull the tooth and that would hurt him. So he thought of reserving this issue at present and continue in the future. Now, third paragraph. Nothing offered for some little time, and then he remembered hearing the doctor tell about a certain thing that laid up a patient for 2 or 3 weeks and threatened to make him lose a finger. So the boy eagerly drew his sore toe from under the sheet and held it up for inspection. But now he did not know the necessary symptoms. However, it seemed well worthwhile to chance it. So he fell groaning with considerable spirit, but Sid slept on unconscious. Tom groaned louder and fancied that he began to feel pain in the toe. No result from Sid. Explanation: he heard at a time that the doctor told about certain thing to a patient that if he is not be laid for 2 or 3 weeks, then he may lose his finger. So the boy eagerly pulled up his sore toe. Sore toe is nothing but big finger in the leg from under the sheet and held it up for inspection. Now there is no symptoms to be found. The toe was well. He also started groaning with the spirit, but Sid slept on unconscious. Tom groaned louder and fancied that he began to feel pain in the toe. No result found from Sid. Now let us have a small recap. On Monday morning, the boy seems to be so miserable because it is the very first day in week to school and there is no holiday in between. The situation seemed to be like going to a prison. So the boy feel so miserable on Monday morning. In the second paragraph, we see that he was just lying and he was just thinking whether if he is sick, he could not go to the school. But nothing seems to be sick. Everything was fine. So that he examines himself and then found that his teeth was loose. But later he had the judgment that if even though the tooth was loose, his aunt could pull out and that could hurt him. So that he is trying to think again and again, and he thought an idea that one day when doctor was examining a patient, he said to that patient that the patient should be laid in bed for 2 to 3 weeks. Later what happened, if the patient is not lying on the bed, then he may lose his fingers, said the doctor. This incident came into his mind, and immediately Tom saw his sore finger and started groaning. But this was not noticed by Sid because Sid was sleeping deeply. So this is a small recap, and let's continue this video in the next upcoming video. Thank you, children.